We are almost done with the project. What remains is to add some informative text to it. For this purpose, we will use the horizontal type tool in Photoshop to create a re-editable type layer. While you could place text directly on the image, I wouldn't recommend doing so in this particular instance. The reason is that the background is saturated with too many colors for us to create enough contrast and clarity to make the text readable. We can create a separate contrast-enhancing background element for the text to sit on to get around this problem. For this, we are going to use the rectangle tool in the Photoshop toolbar. Click and hold the Shape Tools button in the Photoshop toolbar and choose the rectangle tool. Place the cursor in a document window and drag down and to the right to draw a simple rectangle. Click on either of the small circles inside the rectangle corners and drag inward to convert to rounded corners if desired. With the rectangle layer selected, the Properties panel lets you edit the appearance of the shape, such as changing the fill color, adding a stroke, and more. In this example, we're not going to make any changes to the appearance here though. Instead, we will adjust the opacity of the layer itself. Select the rectangle layer in the Layers panel and change the opacity to 40%. We now have a more uniformly colored background for our text, making it much easier to read. Press Command S on a Mac or Control S on a PC to save your changes.